Have you ever wondered how you can become mentally strong and unstoppable in life? Imagine transforming every challenge into an opportunity, every setback into a comeback. As Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer, while there is good in both." Stay with us till the end to discover 10 unique, lesser-known ways from Islamic teachings that can supercharge your mental resilience and make you unstoppable in your journey. So first one is channeling negativity into positivity. One of the remarkable yet often overlooked teachings in Islam is the art of transforming negativity into positivity. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, encouraged his followers to respond to adverse situations with good deeds, instead of allowing anger or frustration to consume you. Islam teaches that you should use these feelings as a fuel to do something beneficial. Imagine the power of turning a bad day into an opportunity to help someone or improve yourself. This method not only diffuses the negative energy, but also enriches your soul, making you mentally stronger and more resilient. This proactive approach to handling life's challenges can make you unstoppable in your personal and professional life. By practicing this unique form of emotional alchemy, you can gain control over your reactions and transform every negative experience into a stepping stone towards greater achievements and personal growth. Such a mindset not only strengthens your character, but also equips you to handle the ups and downs of life with grace and wisdom. Embrace this practice to turn every setback into a setup for a comeback, empowering yourself to face any adversity with a positive and proactive outlook. Second, embracing minimalism for clarity. Islam promotes a lifestyle of minimalism, which can have profound effects on your mental strength. By focusing on what truly matters and letting go of material excess, you can achieve a clearer mind and a more focused life. This principle, derived from the simple lifestyle of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, encourages you to declutter your life, both physically and mentally. Embracing minimalism helps reduce stress and anxiety, allowing you to concentrate better on your goals and relationships. It frees you from the constant pressure of societal expectations, making you more resilient and focused on your true purpose. This approach to living encourages a deep appreciation for what you have, fostering contentment and reducing the mental clutter that distracts from your objectives. By prioritizing experiences and relationships over material possessions, you create a more meaningful and fulfilling life. The clarity that comes from minimalism enhances your decision-making abilities, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with a calm and focused mind. This mental discipline can make you unstoppable, enabling you to achieve your aspirations with a clear vision and unwavering determination. Third, practicing consistent gratitude in relationships. While gratitude is often mentioned, its application in relationships is a unique perspective in Islam. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized expressing gratitude to people, especially in close relationships. This consistent practice strengthens bonds and fosters a supportive environment. By regularly appreciating your loved ones, you build a network of trust and support that fortifies your mental strength. This approach not only enhances your relationships, but also provides a stable foundation for facing life's challenges together, making you mentally unstoppable. Showing gratitude within relationships helps to create a positive and nurturing atmosphere, encouraging mutual respect and understanding. This habit of recognizing and expressing thanks for the contributions and presence of others fosters a sense of belonging and security, which is crucial for mental well-being. By cultivating an attitude of gratitude in your interactions, you reinforce positive behaviors and create an uplifting environment. This practice not only strengthens personal bonds, but also enhances your emotional resilience, making it easier to cope with difficulties and setbacks. Embrace this unique Islamic teaching to build stronger, more supportive relationships that contribute to your overall mental fortitude. Fourth, the power of intentional rest. Islam advocates for intentional rest, which goes beyond mere sleep. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, practiced and recommended taking short breaks and naps, to rejuvenate the mind and body. This practice can significantly boost your mental strength by preventing burnout and maintaining high levels of productivity. In today's fast-paced world, incorporating intentional rest into your routine can enhance your mental clarity, creativity, and overall well-being. It teaches you the importance of balancing work with rest, making you more efficient and mentally resilient. By prioritizing periods of rest and relaxation, you can recharge your energy levels and improve your focus. This balanced approach to work and rest prevents chronic stress and promotes a healthier lifestyle. Intentional rest helps you to manage your time more effectively, allowing you to accomplish tasks with greater efficiency and less fatigue. Embracing this practice ensures that you remain mentally sharp and capable of handling the demands of daily life. By valuing rest as an essential component of productivity, you can maintain a high level of performance without compromising your mental health. This strategy makes you unstoppable by ensuring you are always at your best. Fifth, mastering emotional intelligence through forgiveness. Forgiveness is a powerful tool in Islam that can significantly enhance your emotional intelligence. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, exemplified forgiveness in numerous situations, teaching his followers to let go of grudges and ill feelings. By mastering the art of forgiveness, you can free yourself from the burdens of anger and resentment. This emotional liberation strengthens your mental fortitude and allows you to approach situations with a clear and calm mind. Practicing forgiveness helps you navigate complex relationships and conflicts more effectively, making you mentally unstoppable. Letting go of past hurts and embracing a forgiving attitude promotes inner peace and reduces emotional stress. This practice enables you to move forward without the weight of negative emotions holding you back. By fostering a forgiving nature, you can improve your interpersonal relationships and create a more harmonious environment. This emotional strength enhances your ability to handle difficult situations with composure and empathy. Embrace the Islamic teaching of forgiveness to cultivate a resilient and emotionally intelligent mindset that empowers you to overcome challenges and maintain mental clarity. Sixth, harnessing the power of silence. In Islam, silence is not just the absence of speech, but a powerful tool for reflection and inner strength. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, often engaged in periods of silence to contemplate and connect with the divine. By incorporating moments of silence into your daily routine, you can enhance your self-awareness and mental clarity. This practice helps you process thoughts and emotions more effectively, leading to better decision-making and problem-solving skills. Embracing silence as a mental strength strategy can make you more focused, resilient, and unstoppable in achieving your goals. Silence provides an opportunity to disconnect from the constant noise and distractions of the modern world, allowing you to reconnect with your inner self. This introspective practice promotes mindfulness and helps you gain a deeper understanding of your thoughts and feelings. By making time for silence, you create a space for mental and spiritual rejuvenation, which enhances your overall well-being. This powerful practice encourages a calm and composed approach to life's challenges, enabling you to respond with wisdom and clarity. Integrate the power of silence into your routine to build mental resilience and achieve a balanced and fulfilling life. Seventh, the practice of positive visualization. Positive visualization is a technique subtly endorsed in Islamic teachings. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, would often speak about the importance of envisioning positive outcomes and having firm faith in Allah's plan. By regularly practicing positive visualization, you can cultivate a mindset of success and resilience. This mental exercise helps you stay focused on your goals and motivates you to overcome obstacles. Visualizing positive outcomes trains your mind to anticipate and work towards success, making you mentally strong and unstoppable. This technique encourages you to imagine the best possible scenarios and outcomes, fostering a sense of optimism and confidence. Positive visualization helps you to maintain a forward-thinking attitude, which is essential for achieving long-term goals. By consistently visualizing success, you program your mind to recognize opportunities and solutions rather than focusing on problems and setbacks. This proactive approach enhances your ability to persevere through challenges and stay motivated. Embrace the practice of positive visualization to build a resilient and unstoppable mindset that drives you towards achieving your aspirations with confidence and determination. Eighth, embracing flexibility and adaptability. Islam teaches the importance of being flexible and adaptable in the face of change. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, demonstrated remarkable adaptability in various situations, showing that flexibility is a key to mental strength. Embracing change and adapting to new circumstances can help you navigate life's uncertainties with confidence. This ability to adjust your plans and approach makes you more resilient and better equipped to handle unexpected challenges. Flexibility and adaptability are essential traits that can make you mentally strong and unstoppable in any situation. This approach encourages you to remain open-minded and willing to change course when necessary, which is crucial for personal and professional growth. By embracing flexibility, you can respond to challenges with creativity and resourcefulness, finding effective solutions to problems. This mindset helps you to stay calm and composed in the face of adversity, allowing you to maintain focus on your goals. Integrate the principle of adaptability into your life to build mental resilience and navigate the complexities of life with confidence and ease. Ninth, cultivating a mindset of continuous improvement. The Islamic principle of ihsan, or striving for excellence, encourages continuous self-improvement. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of constantly seeking to better oneself in all aspects of life. By adopting a mindset of continuous improvement, you can enhance your skills, knowledge, and character. This relentless pursuit of excellence keeps you motivated and mentally sharp, allowing you to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Cultivating this mindset makes you unstoppable in your personal and professional endeavors. This approach encourages you to set high standards for yourself and to consistently work towards achieving them. By embracing a philosophy of lifelong learning and self-improvement, you can stay ahead in a rapidly changing world. This mindset promotes resilience and adaptability, enabling you to face challenges with confidence and determination. Embrace the principle of continuous improvement to build a strong and unstoppable mentality that drives you towards achieving excellence in all areas of your life. 10th, nurturing inner peace through sincerity. Sincerity, or ikhlas, is a core value in Islam that can significantly enhance your mental strength. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, highlighted the importance of sincerity in all actions and intentions. By nurturing sincerity in your life, you can achieve a sense of inner peace and clarity. This genuine approach to life helps you align your actions with your values, reducing internal conflicts and stress. Sincerity fosters a deep sense of fulfillment and contentment, making you mentally resilient and unstoppable in pursuing your goals. This practice encourages you to be honest with yourself and others, promoting authenticity and integrity in your interactions. By prioritizing sincerity, you create a harmonious and balanced life, free from the burden of pretense and deceit. This inner peace and clarity enhance your ability to make sound decisions and to face challenges with confidence. Embrace the value of sincerity to build a strong and resilient mindset that empowers you to achieve your aspirations with a clear and focused approach. You now have 10 powerful, unique strategies to become mentally strong and unstoppable. These timeless teachings from Islam not only boost your resilience, but also enrich your daily life in profound ways. If you found this video inspiring and valuable, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on more content like this. Share your thoughts and let us know which tip resonated the most with you in the comments below. Together, let's continue to grow and achieve greatness.